Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. The World Bank is projecting sharp, long-lasting economic slowdown, especially for developing countries. The world is also being placed on alert for the possibility of a recession. The multilateral agency in its latest report today is projecting that global growth for 2023 will slow to 1.7%. That's down from the 3% growth projected for the year about 6 months ago. The World Bank says elevated inflation, higher interest rates, reduced investment, and disruptions caused by Russia's invasion of Ukraine are the major threats to global growth. It says, quote, given the fragile economic conditions, unquote, any worsening of the current situation could push the global economy into recession. This would mark the first time in more than 80 years that 2 global recessions have occurred within the same decade. Growth in the global economy is projected to pick up slightly in 2024, with projected growth at 2.7%. The bank says, quote, the sharp downturn in growth is expected to be widespread, with forecasts in 2023 revised down for 95% of advanced economies and nearly 70% of emerging markets and developing economies, unquote. Zooming in on Jamaica, the World Bank has lowered its growth projections for 2023 compared to what was set in June last year by 0.3%, with growth now forecast at 2% for the year. The country's growth projection for 2024, however, remains at 1.2%. Regionally, Guyana saw the biggest drop in its GDP outlook for 2023, with growth set 9.1 percentage points lower at 25.2%. Conversely, Guyana also sees the largest increase in growth projections for 2024, up 17.4% from June last year. And some company news there. First Rock Real Estate Investments has made a multi-million Jamaican dollar investment in Grand Cayman. The transaction seeing the company take a stake in the Kailani Hilton Cayman, a luxury boutique hotel to be constructed in the 7 Mile area of Grand Cayman. The project is being led by the NCB Group. First Rock's stake in the property was valued at $1.35 million. Now, Assistant Vice President of Real Estate Business at First Rock Group, Denroy Pusey, is leading the acquisition. Kailani will have more than 60 rooms ranging from 400 to 3,400 square feet. And to the currency market now, the US dollar is being sold for an average $153.78. $112.92 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $186 for the pound, while it's costing an average $166.80 for the euro. The JSE index gained 418 points today, while the junior market index rose by 56 points. Among the winners were ISP Finance Services, Sterling Investments, Kingston Wharves Limited, Productive Business Solutions PBS 9.75% cumulative redeemable preference shares, and Medical Disposables and Supplies. The losers included CAC 2000 9.5% cumulative redeemable preference shares, Access Financial Services, JMB Group 7.5% shares, First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, and VM Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.